Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about why some Amazon brands fail, even with great products. Let's get into it. Some Amazon brands fail even though their products are truly amazing. And the surprising part is it usually has nothing to do with the product quality at all. The real issue starts when founders, despite being great at creating or innovating products, are not able to run the business side effectively. They're so focused on what they've built that they often avoid bringing in experts who could help them scale it properly. In most cases, they don't lack skill. They lack perspective. Some founders become so emotionally attached to their product that they aren't open to outside help. They keep trying to fix everything themselves, and as a result, the brand slowly starts to lose traction. From poorly structured ad campaigns to broken catalog listings, these things stack up quickly. We've seen brands with multiple listings for the same product just because of a small packaging or ingredient change. Instead of merging the ASINs and keeping all the reviews and traffic focused on one listing, they unintentionally spread everything out. Their advertising costs increase, reviews get diluted, and performance takes a hit. And the worst part is, they often don't even know that ASIN merging is possible. Once we step in and fix these issues, merge ASINs, consolidate reviews, optimize the catalog structure, things turn around quickly. But that's only possible if the brand isn't already too far gone. Unfortunately, some brands come to us when their performance is already at rock bottom. They've lost visibility, wasted money on ads, and the momentum they once had is gone. The biggest regret many founders share is not getting help sooner. They often say they wish they had brought in experts earlier in the journey before the brand started struggling. That's why it's so important to know when to step back and let professionals handle parts of the business that require specialized experience. It's not a weakness, it's actually one of the smartest things a founder can do. To avoid becoming one of those brands that fail despite having a great product, it's important to stay humble, ask for help when needed, and take action early, before issues grow out of control. With the right support, even the best products can go from great to unstoppable. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.